thing which everyone can experiment with is a vegetarian diet. Because what we eat, we've always heard we are what we eat. I am what I eat. It's not that my body is what I eat, it is I am what I eat. So let's consume a diet which is a high vibrational diet, not a diet which has someone's pain in it. Animal in a slaughterhouse is a vibration of hurt, hatred, fear, anger, then violence, then death. It's not proteins only, it's proteins with those vibrations. And that's not good for our mind and body. So, this is an experiment, but experiment with the vegetarian diet, and you will see an amazing difference in the lightness of how the mind and the body both feels. So, these two.
Yeah, I have felt I'm a vegetarian, and even within vegetarian diet, I feel there's a big range.
Yes, yes,
Like
of course.
yeah, if I eat like a very heavy pizza, cheese pizza, I cannot even
Yes.
wake up the next morning in time.
Yes. So that's a simple experience. So that's vegetarian, but it's the heavier vegetarian, right? So what about a non-vegetarian? That's going to a heavier one again there. So the sattvic, what we call the higher vibrational food, is very light food, a lot of raw food, and when we cook food also, very light. Very light, not that it is all, and we, as far as possible, we don't eat out. Home cooked food. Home cooked food created in a very high vibrational state, because when we are cooking the food, the state of mind of the person cooking the food has a deep impact on the minds of the people who are going to eat that food. So the food has to be cooked in a very, very calm, peaceful, happy mind for those to all who are going to eat to be happy and calm and peaceful.